Hello kids, how are you all? Hoping you all are fine, fit, healthy and safe inside your home. And I hope you all are feeling happy today. Yes, I'm also feeling happy because today again I'm going to teach you all the subject EVS. Yes, today I will teach you EVS and the topic is farm animals. Yes, today I will teach you about farm animals. Yes. Acha Neha ma'am told you about wild animals and she took you for the jungle safari because wild animal lives in jungle. Neha ma'am took you for the jungle safari and I hope you all have enjoyed there. Yes, na? Very good. You all have enjoyed there. So today I am here to teach you all about farm animal. Yes, and farm animal don't live in jungle. Farm animal don't live in jungle. Yes. Now I'm going to start the topic. I will start from you. Okay, first I will ask from you all that from where do we get egg? From where do we get egg? From where do we get egg? Yes, we get egg from farm animal. We get egg from farm animal. Yes. Now we are coming to the second. That is milk. Daily we are drinking milk. Now daily we are taking milk. Yes. So from where do we get milk? From where do we get milk? From where do we get milk? Yes, from farm animal. We get milk from farm animal. Okay. Now I'm coming to the third thing. That is wool. That is wool. Yes. From where do we get wool and when we are using it? Yes, wool we are getting from the farm animal and in winter we are wearing sweater, socks, woolen caps. Those all the things are made up of wool. Yes, sweater, woolen cap, woolen socks are made up of wool. Yes. Now I'm coming to the fourth one. Dun, dun, dun. Fourth thing is leather. Yes, leather. From where do we get leather? We get leather from farm animals. Very good. And bags, belt, shoes, wallet are made up of leather only, na? Yes. Bags, school belt, and school bag, wallet, shoes. These all the things are made up of leather only. And from where do we get leather? We get leather from farm animal. Yes. So, my dear kids, till now we have learned what we get from farm animals. हम लोग को farm animals से क्या क्या मिलता है? But till now I haven't told the animal's name. कि हम लोग को कौन सी चीज किस एनिमल से मिलती है. Okay, so I am moving slowly and will tell the animal's name to you. I'm moving and I'm about to read. Yes. So now I'm going to tell you about animal's name. Yes, that with which animal we get the milk. From which animal we get the leather. Yes. So I'm coming to the first one. That is milk. We are drinking daily in the morning. From which animal we get that milk? From cow. From cow, goat and buffalo. Cow, goat, buffalo. Okay, very good. Now I'm coming to the egg. From where do we get egg? With which animal do we get egg? We get egg from hen, from duck. From hen and from duck. Yes, we get egg from hen and from duck. Yes. Now I am coming to the third thing. That is wool. That is wool. From which animal we get the wool? From sheep. Yes, from sheep we get the wool. And what we are making with the help of wool? Sweaters, cap and woolen socks. We are using this in winter for keeping us safe. Yes, my dear. We use sweater, woolen caps, woolen socks in winter to keep us safe. Yes, so that we cannot feel cold in winter. Yes, so that we cannot feel cold in winter. Very good. So, sweaters are made up of wool. And from where we get the wool? From sheep. Yes, from sheep we get the wool. Now, we are coming to the next thing. That is leather. That is leather. From where we get the leather? We get the leather from animal skin. Yes, we get the leather from animal skin. Horse skin, cow, buffalo, goat, pig, all the animals' skin. Yes, from where do we get leather? We get leather from animal skin. Yes, from animal skin. And animals' name are horse, cow, buffalo, goat, pig. Yes, with the help of animal skin, leather is made. And with the help of leather, bags, belt, shoes, wallet, these all the things are made up of leather. Very good, my dear. So, we have learned about the farm animals, the things which we get from the farm animals. Yes, so now I'm going to share the images of animal. Yes, now I'm going to share the images of farm animal. That and in that from that images you have to learn the animal name. Yes, from that you have to learn the animal name and you have to learn the first letter of the animal. Okay, my kid. So come and have a look. Come on, everyone, and have a look to the animals' images. So, what are we waiting for? Now we are going to a small zoo. Okay, we are moving to the small farm animal zoo. Yes, we can keep the name for zoo. Farm animal zoo. So we are moving to the farm animal zoo. Now move fast, move fast. We have to reach there on time. So have a look, my dear kids.
These are the farm animals. These animals don't live in jungle. ये animals जो हैं वो जंगल में नहीं रहते हैं. As seek a cow, jig a goat, beaver buffalo, S a sheep, did a duck also give us egg, H a hen, did a dog, H a horse, seek a cat, peep a pig.
We have learned about the farm animals in this video. You all will watch the video. You all will learn the animal's name, the first letter of the name, and what we get from which animal. Okay, so Now we will meet in the next video again. By the time, bye bye, take care, love you all.